Hello everybody, this is DJ, the Horror Guru. And I got something from Trick or Treat Studios today. So I'm going to unbox this real quick. Now I'm going to reveal what's in it. And I think everybody's going to like it. I know I will. Okay, here we go. Oh, the suspense, huh? It's killing everybody, huh? Ready? There's that. Here we go. This is what's in the box. Get ready. Michael Myers. Halloween, the curse of Michael Myers mask. I have been wanting this for a long time, my horror fanatic fans out there. Yeah, right there. That's it. Halloween, the Curse of Michael Myers, 1995 mask. I have been wanting this for a long time. Add it to my collection. Later.